My name is Matt from Easy Test Pools, and today we are in our Derry, New Hampshire store location with April from Latham Pools. April, thanks for being here today.
And thank you for having me here today.
So April, let's talk a bit about fiberglass pools overall. What is a fiberglass pool, and why would someone who is looking for a pool in their backyard go with a fiberglass model?
Fiberglass pools are a one-piece pool model. Some of the advantages are, a huge one is very fast installation. You could actually have it in the ground and you could be swimming in it within days instead of having your backyard in disarray
Awesome.
for weeks at a time. And another great feature of fiberglass pools is they're just very, very low maintenance. You're not replacing liners and you're not refinishing. Put the pool in and it's there just as it was for years to come.
Great, and then there's also this silky smooth gel coat I see here.
Absolutely. You can see the shine and the glow and the smooth texture. It feels great under the feet, and again, it's super durable.
Compared to other models like gunite, which can be kind of scratchy on your feet, or vinyl liner like old school pools where you have to replace the liner, every X amount of years.
Yep, there's very low maintenance. The smooth finish is also not only beautiful to look at, but it's also resistant to anything such as algae or the types of things that you see build up on your gunite and your vinyl pools.
Well, my name is Matt again, and if you wanted to reach out to me or click the link in the description, my cell phone is 603-453-2845. Thanks, April.
Thank you.